Howdy, my name's Dr. Daphne Lewis, and I wanted to welcome you to ITSW 2334 Advanced Spreadsheets. We will be using the Exploring series, and we will be focusing on Excel and using spreadsheets in Microsoft Office 365 or Microsoft Office 2016 Pro. I'd like to take you on a tour of the Blackboard classroom. This should be your launching place each week, and it will prepare you for moving through the course. Right now we're on the home page, and down below you can see that there are announcements and our weekly schedule. Next is a little overview of me and a little overview of the course. The course description from the catalog is here, and this is me. My name's Dr. Daphne Lewis. I have a couple of degrees. I've been teaching the collegiate environment over 15 years, and I look forward to working with you. Down below is my family. They have over 16 degrees, and several of them have been to the same college you are. Here are my office hours for this semester, and they change every semester. Here's a link to Office 365, which can help you download Microsoft Office equipment like Excel to your computers. If you'll look at these two orange links, I've created PowerPoints with audio to walk you through doing that. The important part of using Office 365 at home or somewhere else is that you use your student email account. Next is a virtual desktop. It's a way for you to hook through the VMware if you don't have the software but need to be able to get your homework done. And here's the competencies and objectives for the course. I'm going to scroll back up and go over to the left side navigation bar and click on Questions for Instructors. Now, I encourage you to call and text me and get an immediate answer to your questions. Even if it's late at night, text me, leave a message. I'm happy to help you. I need to know your first name, your last name. I need to know your course you're taking, ITSW 2334, and your question and how to get in contact with you. You can also click here on the title, and you can click in and make a discussion board question to me. I do not check these as frequently as I check my texting and my phone calls. During Module 1, we'll be making a discussion board, so this will be a great place to practice professionalism and sharing in the Blackboard environment. Okay, we're going to go back up to the top. We just finished questions for the instructor. Course schedule is exactly like I showed you in the announcements. Each semester it'll change, but our weeks run either Monday to Monday, Tuesday to Tuesday, or Wednesday to Wednesday. They're called modules or modular weeks. Your assignment will be deployed if your weeks are Monday to Monday, your assignment will be deployed in learning modules on Monday, and it will be due on the following Monday when the next module appears. Syllabus is exactly what you'd expect to see. It's a copy of your course syllabus for this semester. Please make sure you download that, save it, and read it. If you're on a screen reader, we also have it in Word so your screen reader can handle those numerous pages, and it's in PDF form and Word document form so you can download it above. Next comes our learning modules. Our learning modules are where you as a student find out what's due. So for example, here's Module 1, our first week. Remember, if your week goes from Monday to Monday, or Tuesday to Tuesday, or Wednesday to Wednesday, it's stated on your course schedule. You click in here and you get started. The beginning page is an overview. Now, I'm going to click and open the rest of these so you can see these just for a second. When you're in learning modules, there are numerous modules for each week, but when you go to do the first week, it has an overview. So here you're expected to explore syllabus quiz, Module 1 discussion, and assess, which is an assessment that you'll upload to Blackboard. There's actually 2 this week, so make sure you take a look at that. I'm going to click Module 1 and enter into the learning modules that are our assignments. This first week of the class, you do not need a textbook. You do not need an e-code. Everything is assigned through Blackboard. So here are our assignments. You can see how they're one by one But when I go back on student preview mode, which is what I thought I was in, you may only see one at a time. So again, you here's what I was trying to show you. Here's 1 week module, which you saw in student preview mode. And as the weeks progress, I will open numerous other modules, and they'll go all the way down to week 13 or 14 to get us through the semester. So I wanted you to realize that, like, for example, the midterm and the final exam are totally in Blackboard. Don't just rely on your MyLabs. You need to come into Blackboard each week, and you need to click on the title and see what your responsibilities are. Now, in instructor mode, I can see all of them at once. I believe in student mode, you'll only see one. Here's a copy of the overview. We have to explore. And exploring means click around the Blackboard environment. Learn where all these buttons go to. Learn that by clicking My Grades, you see what grades are expected in the course and what grades you have to earn. Next is Module 1 Discussion. Module 1 Discussion is where you will learn about the virtual postcard technique and how to make an effective discussion board post on an online environment. It is also our way to communicate with each other. Now, if you have a question, don't post it in the discussion board. Go ahead and text me. But this is a way for us to introduce ourselves to our classmates. So I click the title, and you can see, look at this. We already have some students participate. You would hit click thread, okay? Create thread. And then you get a subject line. It gives you a preview of what you're supposed to say. I'm supposed to introduce myself. So I'm going to just say Introduction, Dr. Daphne L. Lewis. So that's the title of my discussion board. I'm going to say howdy to the team. You should always greet your team or greet your teammate by name. And then I'm going to write 100+ words of an introduction to my teammates about me and about who I am and why I'm here at this college. And at the end, I'm going to sign it. And then once I'm done, if I want to attach a picture, I can browse my computer. And for me, my pictures are usually on my desktop. And there's my picture. I go ahead and attach it. All right. And then I hit submit. So now I've submitted a new thread to share with my teammates, and it's the last thread that was made. So there it is. You guys could click on it and read it. It was supposed to have 100 words. And there's my picture. And you can actually see I'm in my car. I'm always in my car. I commute for the college, and I love teaching out of town and online like with you. But there's your instructor. So that's one way to share in the discussion boards. And we're going to go back over here to the next part of our first learning module. I want you to see what's expected in Module 1. All right, so we explored, we saw our syllabus, and now we're going to go down below to the Syllabus Quiz. Next stop is Syllabus Quiz. You do want to read the syllabus. You could bring it up in a second window so you could answer these questions accurately. You click on Syllabus Quiz. It says, are you ready to start the test? Do know you can redo this test for a higher grade. Click Begin, and this test is recorded inside Blackboard. It says, what is the acronym or initials in the name of this course? Why, we're in ITSW 2334 in Advanced Spreadsheets. So that is automatically saved, and then you click the arrow for the next question. At the end of the test, you would hit Submit, and the grade is automatically recorded into your grade book. Now, at the very end, I do ask for an active cell phone number. This is only for me. I want to be able to reach you in case there's a challenge in the classroom, a challenge with a grade, or offer you back support. When you're done, you hit Save and Submit, and it will record those grades. It's telling me, hey, you didn't quite finish this test. No, I didn't. Okay, so back in the learning modules, it says I submitted my test. It says click OK for the results, and we know I didn't do very good. I only answered one question. So back in learning modules, I'm going to go back to Module 1, and I'm going to go to the next final assignment for the first week. It says, well, actually there's 2 assignments. Module 1 Candy and Module 1 Assess C. These assessments are for you to create in Excel. It's time to download Office 365, or you can work on the virtual machine. But you need either Office Pro 2016 for Excel, Office 365 for PC or Mac. It will work on the Macintosh computer as well. Here are your instructions. You download your instructions and it comes up as an attachment. It's in a PDF document. It steps you through this activity. This activity is actually having you pick up a package of candy, sort the candy, and make charts in Excel. So if you get some kids at home that can help sort and eat, it's a great time to have a family activity. Also, the second assignment, make sure you do both the first week, is learning to make a chart, make it automatically calculate numbers, and in the end, you will end up with a 10 by 10 sheet that will not only have mathematical calculations, but it will have color and a pattern. Do realize all 100 cells are required for success in this assignment. Okay, that's the wrap up for the first week. If you have any questions or any challenges, make sure you reach out to me. I am so looking forward to working with you. Let's go and have a great semester.